ask question lang po kay...
Okay, with the indulgence of Congressman
Thank you.
Flores.
Sundan ko lang po. Kasi, DG, sinabi mo na persons of interest. Now, sabi mo naman, yung focus nyo is from the other project or lab. But still, kung pwede naman yun, the following day, because those 11 persons of interest with regards to drugs, di ba? DG police ka di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, persons of interest yun. Tapos, nung pinakawala sandali po, pinakawala ng BID, okay lang kayo? Sige nga.
Sir, what I mean with persons of interest, it's possible person.
Kaya nga, whatever. Whatever, because they are not yet, hindi nga pwede ikulong doon sa yung sinabi mo, Davao City Police Office. Hindi. Wala pa naman silang kaso Tama yun sa BID. But, even the following day, the following week, dapat pinalo up nyo. Bakit biglang nawala? And did you file a case against the BID?
Mr. Chair, meron kasi
Sandali po, ay, question ko lang po, sagutin mo. Did you file a case against those BID people?
wala po, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Wala namang violation, Mr.
Ano
Chair.
wala violation? Sabi mo na nga, they are subject of that operations. Persons of interest. Di ba? O now, question. Ito, are they formally endorsed to BID? Did you?
Mr. Chair,
Sandali po, yes or no lang.
hindi ko sir masagot na yes or no.
Okay, hindi tanongin kita. Did you formally endorse them to the BID?
Merong PIDEA doon nakasama.
Sino ang PIDEA?
Hindi ko na matandaan, Mr. Chair.
Lang.
Yes,
Pwede ba
Mr.
yun?
Chair, that was 20 years ago, Mr. Chair.
Ito, sinong BID doon, the time?
Hindi ko rin matandaan na kung sino yung BID.
Mayor Nisiaka, DJ, sandali po. Patapusin muna ako. Hindi pwede hindi mo matandaan. Kasi yung Dumoy raid na yun, napakalaking raid yun. Tapos, over nyo, hindi mo matandaan. Kaya tinanong kita, if you formally endorse those 11 Chinese, kasi po, may statement na presidente din na pinagpapatay niya. DJ you're telling me, maniwala ako dito, hindi mo matandaan? And you claim that those 11 are persons of interest, then suddenly, nirelease ng BID? Wala kayong ginawa? In fact, ang basic doon, police ka. Ang basic doon, you should have investigated why the BID released those 11 persons of interest. Di ba? Police ka Subject nyo yun Kaya hindi mo ako mapaniwala. DG. Ewan ko sa mga members dito, kung maniwala na hindi mo alam kung ano nangyari doon. Di ba? Simple lang po. Dineklara mo persons of interest of 11. Nirelease ng BID. Ang reason mo is that you're busy on those other projects. The day after, a week after, di ba? Hindi naman tayo dito, hindi ako pulis, pero marunong din ako mag-imbestiga. At kung ako nandun, kung talagang tunay na trabaho natin, hindi ko hayaan yun na makawala. Without doing deeper investigation that 11. Ngayon, yung reason mo, hindi mo matandaan. O BID, nandito ba ang BID?
Earlier, they were here, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the BID? Nandiyan naman po yung PETSA. Nung Dumoy raid, can we direct the BID? Who are those officials of the BID
Mr. Chair,
in Davao?
Okay. Comsec, please coordinate with BID.
Para magkaalaman. Baka mamaya yung BID na yun.
Okay. Congressman Acop, with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
20 years ago. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
And the indulgence of Congressman Flores. Yes.
uh,
Of course, I will yield to
Sorry,
Chairman
Your Honor.
Acop, of course.
para lang ito yung